What is it now? Shoot, I gotta get on Discord. I think I heard his SVR. SVR for
Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Alright, just that's
At 7:11 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Bighorn.
Oh,
moving
yeah, I was
northeast
right.
at 40 miles per hour.
SVR.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Osage County.